What we have is little Cherokee miniature therapy horses. We are a true non-profit. We take our money and we put it into the horses. We go where we are invited at no cost to anyone except us. We do this as our part of the community. This is our family personal outreach. We've had them to vacation Bible schools. We've taken them to little kids' birthday parties. We've taken them to most of the area nursing homes and assisted living centers. When you go and you take one of these little guys and you go to a nursing home and you come upon someone who is an Alzheimer's patient, and suddenly there's a twinkle that wasn't there until you arrived. That makes all of what we do worthwhile.